In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bring in an image into Adobe Illustrator CS4 and convert it to a traced object so that you can use the laser cutter with it. So to begin with, I'm going to go into into Google, and from Google I'm just going to type in a really simple, let's go for a tree. And here we're going to go to all the images. Now we should know by now that a full image like this can't be laser cut. It can be engraved but not cut. So what I'm going to do is go to Tools here, go to Color, Black and White. Again, these images here, they probably can't be cut out. They could be engraved but not cut. So we're going to take the type and we're going to go to Clip Art. Now we have some images that can actually be traced. So I'm going to click on this first one. I'm going to right mouse click, I'm going to copy image and go back into Illustrator and go Control V, and Control V is for paste or edit. You can come here and go to paste, right? But you can see Control V there. So Control V, the image comes in, and that does not look like a good image. So I guess this one doesn't work. So we're going to delete this, go back to Google. Okay, I'm going to close this one, and let's just grab a different image. So I'll grab this image, right mouse click, copy the image, go into Illustrator, Control V. There we go. We got an image that works this time. I'm going to zoom in on it so you can see a little bit closer what's happening. You can see it's a little, not very good quality here, but watch what happens in a minute. So this is the image, basically the live trace feature. So we go to live trace here, but beside it, there's a bunch of presets. Don't worry about the presets. We're just going to hit live trace. So click on it, you can see it smoothed it all out. There's a bunch of settings here that we can play with, but we're not going to right now. And then what you do is click and expand. And when you expand it, I'm going to click the selection tool now. You can see now it's in here. There's a bunch of dots here, the nodes where you can modify things in that. Okay. Next thing we do is right mouse click and we go ungroup. Okay, because you don't want the box on there. And once we ungroup it, what we can do, and I'm just going to highlight this all again, I can go to Style and do our cutting style. So we click on Cutting Style. Now when I grab this and I move it, you can see there's two there. Okay, well we only need one of them, so let's just take this one that's highlighted, hit delete. Okay, so to confirm now, we have an image. There's no fill. It's color red. It's 0.001, which means it'll cut on the laser. Okay, and if we want to prove it, we just go File, Print, Print, because already up the printer's VLS 4.60. Hit print, and we come to our laser software, and there you go, you can see it's in red. Okay, so that's basically all it is to live tracing basically an image so that you could actually laser cut it. And that concludes this tutorial.